Welcome to Beginner's Guide to SOLIDWORKS Assembly Exploded View lesson. In the assembly, select the Exploded View command. Zoom in on the top cover, select a screw, select the explode direction, rotation axis, type the explode values, and click Add Step. Repeat the same steps for the remaining top cover screws. Select all 4 screws and drag the direction arrow to the desired explode distance. Click Done to continue. Select the top cover and drag the direction arrow up. Click Done to continue. Zoom in the side cover. Select a screw and repeat the explode and rotate steps. Type the explode values and click on Add Step. Repeat the same steps for the remaining side cover screws. Select the 6 screws and explode them along the Z-axis as shown. Click Done to continue. Select the side cover and explode it along the Z-axis. Rotate the model and explode the screws on the other side using the explode and rotate steps. Remember to change the explode direction and click Add Step. Repeat for the remaining screws on the second side cover. Select the worm gear shaft and explode it. Select the 6 screws and explode them as indicated. Select the side cover and explode it along the Z-axis. Continue adding explode steps to the rest of the components as shown. Click OK to finish the exploded view. Right-click at the top of the feature manager and select Collapse. Right-click again and select Explode. Select the Configuration Manager tab, expand the With Gears configuration and double-click on the Exploded View 1 to explode and collapse. Explore the different options in the animation controller. Right-click on Exploded View 1 and select Animate Collapse. Explore the different options in the animation controller. Close the animation controller to finish. From the Exploded View drop-down command, select Explode Line Sketch. Select the indicated faces to create an explode line. Click OK and exit the sketch to continue. Right-click on Explode View 1, select Edit Feature, and change the Explode Step type to Radial. Select the 6 screws, set the radial distance, and click on Add Step. Click OK to finish. From the Exploded View drop-down command, select Explode Line Sketch to add the rest of the lines. Select the screw holes and the screw. Turn off Along XYZ option and click OK. Add the rest of the exploded lines as indicated. Click on the direction arrow to reverse the exploded line direction. Continue adding the rest of the exploded lines. Click OK and exit the sketch.